You're welcome as we take the shortest time possible in order to work out this maths problem. So let's now start with the solution. If you know how to solve it, you can also work it out on your part. Then now we shall compare the answers that we shall have got. So now we have 4 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 40. So to begin with the basics, when you have a to the power of m plus n, these are now shall have it as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So in this case now we shall now have 4 to the power of x, then the plus shall change to multiplication. 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 40. So work it out. Now we shall have 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, that is 16, is equals to 40. So because now we want to do away with 4 to the power of x, we shall now divide both sides by 16. Then also this side also we shall divide by 16. So 16 by 16 now shall cancel. So now we shall now have 4 to the power of x is equals to 40 all over 16. So the next step that we need to do is now we need to introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 40 all over 16. Then you shall put into bracket. So when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so these are now can be written as, so we can have it as log a minus the log of b. So log a minus log b. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 40 minus 16. Then shall put them into bracket. So assuming also when you have the log of k to the power of p, so this one can be written as p the log of k. So now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x, we can still have it as x the log of 4 is equals to the log of 40 minus 16. Then shall put all this into bracket. So when we work it out, we can still have it as x log 4 is equals to the log of 40 minus the log of 16. So at this point now we can do away with the log of 4 by dividing both sides by the log of 4. Then also the whole of this side by the log of 4. So that now log 4 and log 4 shall cancel each other. So that now we shall say that x now is equals to the log of 40 minus the log of 16, then all over our log of 4. So next now is x is equals to, so the log of 40 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 10, then into bracket, minus the log of 16 can be written as the log of 4 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 4. So now x is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 4 plus the log of 10 minus, so here now shall have it as 2 the log of 4, then all of this all over the log of 4. So let's now divide both sides by the log of 4. So here now shall say that the value for x is equals to, so here log 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 10 we can still have it as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 4, then minus, so 2 the log of 4, then all over the log of 4. Now x is equals to, so log 4 and log 4 cancels, so now we shall have it as 1, then plus the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then this all over, so each all over the log of 4, then also this side all over the log of 4, then minus log 4 and log 4 cancels, then now we shall have it as 2. So when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so these are now can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So in this case now our final answer shall be the value for x to be equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then minus 2. So this one now qualifies to be almost correct and the best problem. So let's now confirm the answer very fast. So we had 4 to the power of x, then plus 2 is equals to 40. So in this case now we shall now have it as 4 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then minus 2, then plus 2 is equals to 40. So next, now we shall say that now we shall now have 4 to the power of 1, then the plus, we shall now have it as multiplication, then 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4, then the plus is multiplication, again 4 to the log of 2 to the base of 4, then minus 2 plus 2 is 0, is equals to 40. So 4 to the power of 1 is 4, multiplied by, so the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4, then 5 multiplied by, the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4 by 2 is equals to 40. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, then 20 multiplied by 2 is equals to 40 is equals to 40. So it means that our answer is correct when we agree and say that the value for x in this case is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then minus 2. So this one now is our correct and the best answer for this maths problem. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.